Hello everyone, welcome back to sriaathmayoga. Today we are going to learn Parsvakonasana.
Stand in Tadasana. Take your left leg back. Right foot should be at 90-degree angle and left foot at 45-degree angle inwards. Inhale, raise the hands in line with the legs parallel to the floor. Exhale, bend the right knee and bring your thigh parallel to the ground. Place the right palm beside the right foot and place your left arm over the left ear and now look up. Hand, torso and extended leg should be in one line. Inhale and rise up slowly and then relax in Tadasana. Repeat it on the other side.
Today we have learned Parsvakonasana. Coming Sunday we will upload Parsvakonasana's benefits and a survey method. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to never miss new video updates. Thank you.